Today I'll be telling you how to drive in Dusty Trip game on Roblox. First of all, we have to enter into game. So now once we enter into game, guys, now first of all we have to start game by assembling the car. So we need to open this door, the big doors. So So once we open the door, guys, now this is our car, and so before driving we need to assemble it. We have to put all the parts of the car from here. So first of all we need to grab tire over from here and put tire and place tire here. So just collect all the things one by one and just assemble all the parts correctly. Now similarly we have to put 4 tires. Now once we put all the tires, guys, now just put all the doors of the car, just grab one by one and put over here. So 2 doors of the car is downward here. So now guys, put this part of the car at the back. I need to grab it again. Now the front of the car, but before this we have to put engine. Place it over here. Now we need to put radiator. So basically what we have to put all the details will be shown here. So these are the things we need to place before driving a car. So now we need to put radiator and get it here. Place over here and just put the engine. Place over here, and now you can put the carbonator. I don't know what exactly it is called. So now we need to put headlight. One more light is left. Now because this car is full of rust, we need to clean it as well. So there is a scrub, we have to use it, and you can see this scrub, just rub over the rust. So after rubbing, your car will be cleaning, and now just drop anywhere you want. Now we need to use, guys, this fuel and just drop it here. First of all we need to open it like this, and since it is already open, just hold to fill the after filling the petrol or the fuel, you can keep this at the top for the future use. Now we just need to, so this tire is, so we are done with everything. Just hold the door and open it again, and just hold this door to close it. And after this, we first of all we need to start the engine. If you're on computer, you press R to start your engine. Let's start your engine. Now we just need to start but before that make sure the handbrake is not up. Just put it down, and now we can start our car. Now you can see that we are successfully assemble our car and driving our car. So this is our accelerator, this is our brake. So right now we have traveled 9 meter. So this is how guys you can drive and assemble or play this game. So yes, that's it. So hope you like it guys, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye, and subscribe for more videos.